Haha, Kirutsu. Oh no, hiccups. That would mean you need to get pregnant in 3 months. Oh no, hiccups. How am I first having hiccups? How am I first having hiccups now? And I start drinking at 8 in the morning. I think I need to drink some more. Okay, but I'm gonna go pee. Be right back a little bit, chat. Be right back. Oh no, hiccups. I'm gonna go pee. It's a lot to think before having a kid. Sex is the easiest part. Fuck, yeah. I actually don't know if I want to have a kid, but I feel like if I'm ever gonna have a kid, it's now. Have you ever thought that your life up until now was easy? No, it's been a struggle, like the same struggle all the time. Okay, peeing now though. Be right back. I choose absolutely last. I got hiccups. Do we sell her? No, we're gonna get to Leona later. Do we sell her? Oh no, I got hiccups. It's either selling her to Blitz. Oh, it's too late now. I want this, Katarina. I got hiccups. I got hiccups. People clip me and put me on YouTube for my hiccups. Oh no. Okay, I sell him. Oh, wrong.